Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're just going to give you a quick update in terms of your theory test, what's happening, what's DVLA saying. As you may know or you may not know, in order to do your practical test, you have to have your theory test out the way. So let's see what the new updates are. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, share it and subscribe. Here's our recent email we got from DVSA, all theory tests rescheduled. So all the theory tests in England, Scotland and Wales from the 22nd of June up to the 3rd of July have been rescheduled. We will update you with the start date for the theory testing. So it would seem that they've rescheduled it, but they haven't given you a date as of yet. Let me know if you've got a date yet for the theory test. But from this email, it seems like they haven't given a date yet. We are emailing anyone with a test booked from the 22nd to the 3rd of July to let them know it has been rescheduled. Alright, cool. Emergency theory test and emergency theory testing service will still be available to those who have a critical need to take a test, such as NHS workers and social care workers. So it seems like all the critical workers, you're still able to take driving lessons and driving tests and here theory tests as well. They're still going to make it available if you booked a test for your pupils. So I don't really do this myself. I don't book tests on behalf of my students. Some instructors do this for an additional fee, but there's no need to, because you guys can go online and book it yourself for free. So why would you pay someone to do it? But some people have money to spend like that. But if you booked a test for your pupils, if you have booked during these tests, you need to contact them and let them know. So if your instructors booked a test for you, give them a call, message them, find out what's going on with your test. So that's really it. It's quite a short email, but it seems like those who had the test from the 22nd of June to the 3rd of July, you guys have been rescheduled. So sorry for the bad news. Do watch our other videos on driving. I know our drivers are catered for the practical test, but you can actually pick up skill sets for the hazard perception, because in our practical driving videos there will be obstacles, hazards, so that should hopefully give you some idea what hazard perception tests may be like as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.